Poem Kind and Help.
Harvest of help. What is here?
Kind help.
Hearts.
Kind heart.
Kind hearts. Okay. The poem is Kind Hearts. You're going to learn about the poem Kind Hearts. Okay. Before you'll open your book, kindly close your books and
Ma'am, which book, ma'am?
Khushi, which subject you have now?
English.
English reader you have to take. Okay. Okay, we're going to learn about the poem Kind Hearts. And this poem was written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Okay, he is the poet of this poem. He is the one who wrote the poem. Okay. Children, kindly close your books and keep. I will tell you when you have to open your books. Okay, just close your book and keep for some time. Do not open.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now here in this poem, okay, Kind Hearts, the poet, he's talking about kind hearts. Kind hearts over here, he is comparing kind hearts to a garden. Okay, what all do you find in a garden, children?
Flowers.
Very good, you find flowers, then
Plants.
trees, all these things you find, right?
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
here in this poem,
Flower.
okay, in this poem, Kind Hearts, the poet is comparing the heart of a human being to the garden. Okay, what is he saying? He's saying that our thoughts, okay, the thoughts, how should your thoughts be, children?
Kind.
It should be good. You should always think positive things in your mind, okay? Thoughts, you should have kind thoughts, okay? Kind thoughts, he is comparing it to the roots. Okay, he is comparing thoughts, the kind thoughts to the roots. The roots are the one which gives life to the plant, right? Yes or no? If the roots are not proper, what will happen? The plant will die, right? Okay, but if your thoughts are good, okay, if the root is good, then the plant will give beautiful flowers and very nice and juicy fruits, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So what is the poet comparing our thoughts to? He is comparing the thoughts to a root, to the root of the plant. Okay, and then he says that kind words, how you speak to people. Okay, how should you speak to people?
Good.
You have to use good words. Okay, like if you need something, how will you ask?
Good. Respect and talk, ma'am.
Yes, you need to give respect and you have to speak to them. When you need something, you will say, please may I have a pencil? Please may I have an eraser, right? You want to go to the toilet, how will you ask? Excuse me, ma'am, may I use the washroom, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the way you treat people, the words that you use, that he is comparing it to the
We should
flowers.
respect parents also, ma'am.
Yes, you have to respect everyone, parents, grandparents, to anyone, okay? Even the smaller children who are smaller than you also, you need to respect them and show. Okay, when you treat even the younger ones with love and affection, when you respect even the younger ones, they will also learn that they have to respect you. Okay, the way you speak to a child, the child will reciprocate to you. The same way the child also will talk to you, right? Okay.
Yes.
So here, what is the poet comparing flowers to? He is comparing the flowers to kind words. Okay, he is comparing the flowers to kind words. Roots are our thoughts. Okay, so when your thoughts are healthy, the plant also is healthy. Okay, when you use good words or kind words, the flowers are also bright and colorful. Okay, from flowers you also get fruits and vegetables. Okay,
Excuse
those
me,
are
ma'am,
your
if we respect,
seeds.
ma'am, if we respect the flowers also, they'll give us a good flowers, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay. So here what is the poet comparing the kind hearts to? He's saying kind hearts are like the garden. Okay, kind hearts are like the garden. And kind thoughts are the roots of a plant, okay, are like the roots. Okay, and then he says kind words are like the flowers.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And kind deeds, that is your actions, how you treat people. Someone is finding it difficult to cross the road, you go and help the person to cross the road. Right? If some
Yes,
old
ma'am.
person is carrying something heavy, we should go and help them to carry the heavy things and leave. Okay? Those are kind deeds. Kind deeds are nothing but your kind actions, how you help one another. Okay, children? So all
Yes,
these, okay, your kind thoughts, your kind words, your kind deeds, all these put together makes your
And
garden.
what is the
How does your
lesson?
garden look then? It looks very
Pretty.
beautiful,
Beautiful,
right?
ma'am.
Okay. And then he says that you should keep your...
And pretty, ma'am. I'm a spade number,
1 minute, I'm going to mute everyone. Okay, did you all understand the poem? Okay, it is comparing the kind hearts to a garden. He says kind hearts are like the garden. The kind thoughts are the roots. Okay, and the kind words that we use are like the flowers. Okay, and then kind deeds are the kind actions are like the fruits of a plant. Okay, so he says that you need to keep yourself humble. Okay, you need to have, you should not think, okay, fine, he took my pencil, he next time he shouldn't get something or something bad should happen. That is not right. Okay, you'll understand, you should always have good thoughts in your mind. Okay, children, he says you should keep all unwanted thoughts, okay, all bad thoughts and all out of your garden. Once you keep all that away from you, your heart will be clean, you will not feel any burden. Okay, you will feel very happy. That is what this poem talks about on the whole. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now take your English reader and turn to page number 92. Okay, take your English reader, turn your book to page number 92. Okay, and I want you to follow what I'm reading. Do not repeat after me. Okay. Kind Hearts, written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Kind hearts are the gardens, kind thoughts are the roots, kind words are the flowers, kind deeds are the fruits. Take care of your garden. Okay, so garden says kind hearts is like the garden. Your kind thoughts make the roots. Okay, your kind words are the flowers and the kind deeds are the fruits. Okay, the poet says you need to take care of the garden. You should keep them away from the unwanted thoughts. Okay, you should not have any negative thoughts or anything that is bad.
Unwanted thoughts in unwanted garden.
Yes, Kalpana. Okay. Next, and keep out the weeds. What do you mean by weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants. Okay, here the poet is talking about weeds, that is unwanted thoughts. Thoughts that are negative, thoughts that are going to be hurtful to others, which is going to harm someone else.
Unwanted people.
Yes. Okay. Fill it with sunshine, kind words and kind deeds. Okay, so how should
Excuse
you
me,
fill
ma'am.
your garden? You should give that enough sunshine.
Your voice is super laggy, ma'am.
Yes, Arvindan?
Yes, I'm
The rest of you all, can you all hear me well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then Arvindan, please check your internet connection. Okay. So how should you fill your garden, children? You should fill your garden with kind thoughts, kind words, and your kind deeds. That is how, that is what will keep your garden healthy.
Good.
Okay, is that
Healthy
clear?
and good.
Yes, it
Yes,
will keep your
ma'am.
garden healthy and good.
Good.
Okay, did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll understood.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the to what is the poet comparing the thoughts to?
Roots,
To the roots. Very good. If your thoughts are good, your day will be very nice. But then if you have bad thoughts in your mind, the whole day will be bad. Okay, so he says that your thoughts should be good. Okay, so you should have kind thoughts. And then to what is the poet comparing the flowers to? So what is the poet comparing the flowers to?
Words, ma'am.
Words. Very good. He's comparing it to kind words. You should use pleasing words, okay, which will not harm or which will not hurt someone else. Okay. And then what is the poet comparing the fruits to?
Deeds, ma'am.
To deeds. Okay, very good. What are deeds? Actions. Okay, deeds means actions. How you help one another. Okay, if you don't want to help someone, don't help, but at least do not go and trouble that person. Okay, it is very good if you can help, but then if you are not able to help, at least don't go and trouble them. Okay, do you all understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll read the poem once more and then we will work out the exercise. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Kind Hearts by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Okay, he is the poet. Remember who is the poet of the poem also. Okay, who has written the poem. Kind hearts are the gardens. Kind thoughts are the roots. Kind words are the flowers. Kind deeds are the fruits. Take care of your garden. Here when he says take care of your garden, he says let all your thoughts and words and actions be kind. Okay, it should be good. You should have good thoughts. The words that you use should be pleasant and pleasing, and the actions that you do should not harm another person. Okay, so that is how he's asking you to take care of your garden. You should keep all unwanted thoughts and actions away from you. Okay, and keep out the weeds. Keep out the weeds means do not put even weeds also among your garden. That is all unwanted thoughts. Remove all those. Fill it with sunshine. Yes.
Ma'am, you will send the photos, ma'am?
Yes, I will be sending you the pictures. Okay. Fill it with sunshine, kind words, and kind deeds. Okay. Did you understand the poem, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, it's a very small and simple poem. You will have to memorize this poem. Okay, which means you have to learn it by heart. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next, turn your book to page number 93.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, page number 93. Here you have new words. New words are nothing but meanings. Okay? What is the meaning of weeds?
Unwanted plants, ma'am.
Very good. Unwanted plants. So when you talk about weeds in terms of garden, it is unwanted plants. But when you talk about weeds in yourself, that is in your thoughts, it is unwanted thoughts. Okay. Meaning of weeds is unwanted plants here. Next, answer the following questions. What makes your garden beautiful?
Flowers, ma'am.
Flowers, fruits. Okay, that is in the action sense. But according to the poem, what are the things that makes a person beautiful? His or her thoughts, his or her words, and his or her actions. What they do, say, or think is what makes the person beautiful. Okay?
Garden.
What are the kind thoughts in your garden? Kind thoughts.
Roots, ma'am.
Very good. Kind thoughts are the roots. If your roots are strong, the plant will grow and give you beautiful flowers and fruits. Okay? Flowers and fruits are made up of dash and dash. What are they made up of?
Roots. Roots and garden, ma'am.
Roots is kind thoughts, children. What is the poet comparing the flowers to? What is the poet comparing the flowers to? Words. Very good. Kind words. Flowers is compared to kind words and fruits are compared to kind deeds. Okay, that is your kind actions. Okay, you can write there. flowers and fruits are made up of? First dash, write kind words. Write it small, it will not fit. Okay, write kind words in the first dash. And second dash, fruits are compared to kind deeds. Okay, second one is kind deeds.
Kind words.
Where you should write, ma'am?
Inside this.
You have your first one here. Answer the following. In that third
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
flowers and fruits are made up of kind words and kind deeds. Two dashes are given. First dash, write kind words. Second dash, write kind deeds.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
next one, I will be sending you the notes for all this.
Ma'am, where should write, ma'am?
Children, in your reader, okay, can you see in the reader, you have two dashes given here in the first one. First main, answer the following. You have two dashes given, third one. First main, third question. Okay, flowers and fruits are made up of kind words. First dash, write kind words. Second dash, write kind deeds. Okay. Then second main.
Question and answers you have to write in classwork, ma'am.
The classwork you will have to write. I will give you. Okay, I'll be sending you the picture. Okay. Second one, second main, answer the following in your notebook. How do you take care of your garden? How will
The watering, ma'am.
by watering? Very good. But here, according to the poem, how should you take care of your garden?
Good and nighty, ma'am.
You have to keep
Put
the
water,
weeds
put
away,
water.
right? The unwanted thoughts. Okay, you have to keep your garden free from weeds. Okay, that's how you can take care of your garden. Second question, what should you fill your garden with? How should you fill your
Fruits, sand, ma'am. Flowers and plants, ma'am.
Remember, in this poem, kind heart actually refers not to the garden, okay? It refers to a person. If a person has to be
I
good,
can't
how
see the
should
board,
he?
ma'am.
How should he?
Flowers.
What are flowers here? According what are flowers filled made up of actually?
Words, ma'am.
Very good.
Kind
Okay, so
words
when,
and
for the
kind
question,
deeds.
what should you fill your garden with? You should fill your garden with kind thoughts, kind words, and kind actions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Next, third question. What actually does the poem refer to? Is he actually talking about the garden here? Is the poet
Yes,
actually talking about the garden?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
he is comparing the garden to a person's thoughts. Okay, his actions, how he talks, what he does. Okay, so what is the poet actually comparing the garden? The poet is actually talking about person's thoughts and his actions, his deeds. Okay, did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now in your classwork, I will be sending you the picture, but in your classwork, you have to take a new page, write today's date, first 1-2-21, okay, and write poem Kind Hearts, and then second line, you have to write a small dash or write by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow, and then leave 2 lines, okay, leave 2 lines, and then you will write the full poem, okay, write the full poem. After you write, leave 2 lines, write Roman number 1, write the heading meanings, and take down the first word. Okay?
English
That is-
classwork, ma'am.
Yes, in your English classwork. Okay? Write the words weeds, unwanted plants. Okay? After that, question and answers, I will be sending you the picture. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Did you understand the poem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, then we will wind up with the class. I will be sending you the notes now. I want you all to start writing. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.